On Multitech we started in '87, that means already 33 years ago. We started with digital signage. At that time it was only pure LED signs. Now in the meantime, of course, not only LED, it's also LCD. And we have the hardware and the software. One thing we especially try to introduce on this exhibition is that we do interactivity, but not with a touch screen, but with a keyboard. The idea behind is that for some reason that it makes sense not to touch the screen, but to touch a keyboard. Therefore, it's one reason is that for handicapped people which are not able to go to a touch screen, they can use that board because you can easily install it on any height. It's not limited for that. That's one reason. The second reason is that when you have a digital projector, for example, you wouldn't have the possibility to use a touch, but you can use the keyboard. And also when you have a screen which is very big, like an 85-inch, you wouldn't be able to touch them on the top. And beside them, the content are very easy to manage because behind each content you just set a number and it will be on the screen when you touch the buttons. So for more information, just visit our webpage, which is www.multitech.ch. Thank you very much.